After learning this recipe, my family asks me for it every week. Let's start by cutting 280 g of green cabbage into thin slices. That's the first step towards our irresistible dish. Now, in a glass bowl, break 4 eggs. Add salt to taste and stir well until everything becomes a homogeneous mixture. This is where the magic begins. Heat a little olive oil in a frying pan and pour in the beaten eggs. Cook until they are just set. And look how beautiful these eggs turn out. Time to remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add another drizzle of olive oil. Now it's time to give it that special touch with 3 cloves of chopped garlic, a red pepper, also chopped, and our cabbage that we chopped earlier. While the flavors begin to blend, grate 100 g of carrot and add it to the pan. Mix all these ingredients well and feel the wonderful aroma that begins to invade the kitchen. Now it's time to return the fried eggs to the frying pan, putting everything together to create an incredible dish. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a little more salt if necessary, and finish with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oh, and of course, chives to taste for that finishing touch. And it's ready. See how easy it is to make this recipe. Did you like the tip? Then be sure to follow our page and like our video to receive new easy recipes. Bon appetit and see you next time.